Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if your Google Nest doorbell keeps going offline again and again, then this video will show you the real fixes that actually work in 2026. So first of all, you need to check your Wi-Fi band. Now many users in 2026 face this issue because their doorbell connects to a weak 2.4 gigahertz signal while the router is pushing 5 gigahertz. So you need to go to the router settings, then create separate names for 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz. Then you need to connect your Nest doorbell only to the 2.4 gigahertz network. This is going to give you better range and stability. Now, even after doing this step, the issue still persists. You can try our second fix, in which you just have to basically fix your router placement. If your router is inside a room or behind the walls, your doorbell will keep disconnecting. So you need to move your router closer to the entrance, or you need to use a Wi-Fi extender. A mesh system works much better if your home is large. Now, you need to try disabling the battery optimization on your phone as well. This sounds unrelated, but in the latest Google Home app updates, aggressive battery saving can delay the syncing and show that your camera as offline. So you can go to your phone's settings, then you can find your Google Home application, and then you can turn off the battery restrictions if it is enabled. Now in our fourth fix, you just have to check the power stability. If you are using the wired version, you need to basically unstable voltage is a common issue now, especially in the areas with the power fluctuation. So make sure that your transformer provides stable output. If voltage drops, the doorbell disconnects frequently. So you can try these easy solutions and see if the Google Nest doorbell is working perfectly again. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.